Is that a frog or a toad?
Looks like a toad.
Looks like a toad? Brown or toads, right?
Yeah.
Alright. See? James knows. I don't know. Day 3 on our trip to Kansas City for 4th of July weekend. So today, I'm hoping the rain stays away. We're heading to a place called Deanna Rose. It's a really cool farm, petting zoo thing for all the kids. Then we're going to a special lunch and or dinner for my nephew James. He's a huge dinosaur fan, and they've got a dinosaur cafe here in Kansas City, so we're going to surprise him with that. No, you can't have that. Back! Yeah! Haha! These things are aggressive! We just survived being attacked by a group of goats. So this bench behind me actually has a really cool family significance. Ever since Kaylani, my oldest daughter, was born, every year we have taken a picture with her on this bench. And we add other family members, we add sisters, cousins, but every year Kaylani gets a picture on this bench.
Cheese, Leia, smile. Leia, James, look over here. I am looking. And we already have a winner. Whoops. Got in trouble for picking an apple. My bad. So we're eating at the T-Rex Cafe. Going off here at the T-Rex Cafe. It's time for us to leave. Let's go. We'll be bursting into flames. I find it really funny that there's a bunch of people still waiting in line to get seated while the fire alarm is going off and ask people to leave. They're like, no, you know how long I've been waiting in line? I'm not losing my spot. I'm getting my food. This is my kind of store.
excellent Sunday fun day so far. We went to the farm, we took the kids to the T-Rex Cafe, we put a herding on a Converse sale, and now the day before 4th of July and on the 4th of July in Missouri, the fireworks are ridiculous, and a lot of the shrapnel ends up in the pool, so we're kind of prepping it for that. So, this is the 3rd of July.
Blowing up the neighborhood.
It's gonna go on this for at least 24 hours.
Happy 4th of July!
What kind of nails are you gonna do?
A red one and a black one, and this one is like blah 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 this.